Another possibility that magicautoma gives us for DaVinci Resolve is to apply macros through tablets. We can apply macros through a tablet so as not to have the main panel of magicautoma in the foreground and apply them directly on the tablet. Connectable tablets are both iOS, Android, and other types. Let's see how. I have put these macros on the tablet container. How do you do it? You simply do it like this. You take a macro, you right-click, it shows macros on the tablet. Macro set to be displayed on the tablet. So let's go to the tablet. We have seen that we have put this clip here, this macro here. Let's go to the tablet and we will find it here. Now let's go on the settings and click on tablet. Here we are given a series of information. The most important one is this one, where it tells us what the IP address of this computer is. There are several, but the IP address that matters is always that of the internal network that always starts with 192.168.1, and then a number. Then the socket port. The server port. And automatically here you can see that the test is okay. If in case you get a red test, then an error, increase the number of port and redo the test until it gives green. If a firewall window will open, you have to give the consent to both. These are graphic settings of how we want to view macros on the tablet. How many columns? How many rows? The dimension of the fonts. The width of the window. Here you can download the app to connect the tablet. Clicking gives us a QR code that we can frame with our tablet or smartphone to go then to this web address that I show you here too, magicautoma@azurewebsite.net. Which basically contains the web app. I put this address here on the tablet, so I close Chrome here and now I will show you the content of the tablet. We can see that I can put the address directly www.magicautoma.com, and go down until there is a link to the PWA. Clicking on PWA opens this window. You can see that we are given a message, install the app on the tablet, or at the top right there is an arrow. What does it mean? It means that these modern web applications, which are called progressive web app, can be installed as apps but through the browser, so there is practically no need to download them from Android and iOS stores. Let's focus now on our application, on our web app. So I click on Connect, we are given a message that says to connect your remote device with magicautoma. Enter this link in your browser or if they are PWA installed. Enter the value. This value. As you can see, here is the value of the IP address. And here is the address of the port. I just have to click here OK and here on the Connect tablet. As you can see, the icons are arranged on the tablet based on the graphic elements that we have set up. We can change, however, from the settings you have seen, we can change the number of buttons per row, per column, etc., etc. If we want, we can install the application through this download button, but let's move on. What we are interested in is seeing how to apply the macro from the tablet. So here we click on the clip we are interested in. We click on the button, you can see how the macro has applied from the tablet. Let's look at another one. For example, always on the same clip. We go to click. You see. We have selected speed 25 and it has applied speed 25. We click here on color clip green. For example, we click and you see that it has applied the color clip green. I can minimize the magicautoma. Press the button 50 and you see that the macro has been applied safely. If I want to disconnect the tablet, all I have to do is click here. You see, here there is a checkbox. It means that the tablet is connected at this moment. All I have to do is click here. It tells me remote disconnected device. For the tablet connection it's all.